Burkina Faso, a country in the heart of Africa that may not be famous by name, but its culture, history, and leadership touch the heart. Located in West Africa and surrounded by 8 countries, its capital is Ouagadougou, a name that may sound difficult, but the city is full of hospitality and simplicity. The true power of Burkina Faso lies in its culture. Colorful clothing, traditional dances, wooden masks, and festivals that attract people from across Africa. One of its highlights is FESPACO, Africa's largest film festival. And when the world now mentions Burkina Faso, one name also stands out: President Ibrahim Traoré. At just 34 years old, he came to power and became a new ray of hope for the people. Known for his honesty, courage, and independence, Traoré is seen by many as a symbol of African pride. His supporters even call him the Lion of Africa. The people of Burkina Faso are simple, hardworking, and kind-hearted. Their lives revolve around agriculture and traditional crafts, but their hope and determination shine like gold. Yes, the country faces challenges: poverty, lack of education, and water shortages. But under Traoré's leadership, many see new potential. He is one of those rare African leaders who dares to challenge the global system and aims to bring dignity back to the continent. Burkina Faso is not just any nation. It is a dream slowly turning into reality, a jewel rising from the dust, a beacon of African identity and humanity. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which African country you'd like to learn about next.